Very good. Yes, you are. You ready to go to work? Come on, Zachary. Come on, Zachary. That's a good boy. Yeah, look at him go. You ready to go to work today? Why don't you start by raising the flag, okay, Zachary? There he goes. Up to the top. All right, almost there. Yay! Good job. All right. Well, Zachary likes to ride on a scooter, so we have his cute little scooter for him. So, Zachary, can you get on there? All right, and there he goes. All right, you're cruising, Zach. Good job. Come on, Zachary. Come on, Zachary. All right, good boy. Good boy.
Good, Zachary.
And, you know, sometimes we shop at the toy store for him, and, you know, when he turned 16, I got this cool skateboard. So he likes to skate. You want to ride your skateboard? Okay. All right, come on, let's carry it down to the end here. All right, the hardest part, look, he has to set up, he has to straighten it out. That's hard to straighten it out. All right, don't go off the table. Good job, keep going. Come on, raise it. Awesome, good boy. Good job, Zachary. He likes basketball, too, and he watches TV sometimes. He plays basketball. He likes to see the athletes. So here's his basketball. Okay, you're ready to go. Okay, get your ball. He's got it. All right, you're dribbling down the court. Okay, make a basket. Yay! Good boy. I was so nervous today. It's a good thing they have sodas for us. Pet Star soda, Zach. Can you open that for me? Oh. Thank you very much. Okay, I feel good. I think I can go on. Can you go on, Zach? Do you need a little snack? Yep. Yeah, here you go. Okay. All right, yeah, you ready? Okay, he has a couple other tricks that take a lot of endurance. And this one is so cool. He can stand on it, and he swings. He kind of pushes his body back and forth. And what he'll do, let me go on this side because he's more comfortable in here, is he goes in a big circle like this. Okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, come on! Good job! Come on, Zachary! Good job, Zachary! Good job! He has one more thing he wants to show you. This high wire bicycle. And it's just the hardest one he has to do. So it takes a lot of training to get him to do this. But I think he'll go up there and do this. All right, he looks like he wants to climb up. Okay, Zach, want to go up there? All right, good. You know, let me go ahead and bring you back over here, okay? Go ahead, get on. Let's see if you can do it. And go.